it's me. Who else would it be? So I have a review. I was gonna do these one at a time, but I decided just to do them all at once. I got all the flavors except for, you can actually buy these on their website too, and they don't charge extra. And if you get over $20, you get free shipping. Okay. Because I got Mom some Munchos too. Okay. East Coast inspired BLT sandwich. I'll try to remember to flip this so you can read what it says. Okay, and then we have West Coast inspired crispy taco. And then this is the one I really wanted. Fried pickles with ranch, Midwest inspired. Woo, Wisconsin. So yeah, I saw these and I was like, yeah. I think the other flavor was like a lime pepper. I wasn't feeling it too much. So, which should we try first? Pickle. I don't know. I'm like, is it gonna just taste like a pickle chip, or is it gonna actually taste like ranch and pickles and maybe have a fried flavor? There you go. Smell it. Ah. It does really just smell like pickle. So, no. And believe me, I do realize it's just a chip. It's not like a fried pickle. This one seems... Where'd it go? That's not the one I grabbed. Here we go. There's a lot of seasoning. I don't know. It's good. But it just tastes like a pickle chip with a little bit of ranch, and there's really not a lot of pickle. Like, it's missing that vinegary tang. So it's like a dill ranch kind of thing going on. Disappointing. 3 out of 10. Okay, we're gonna do BLT sandwich. I better taste lettuce and tomato. No, I'm just kidding. Oh, that smells really good. There you go. Have a whiff. Smells really, really good. Yeah, I can taste it. It does taste more like a BLT sandwich than those did with fried pickles. I can even taste a little bit of a mayo flavor. There's like a tomato tin, you know, like a hint of tomato, a little bit of smoky bacon flavor. These are 17 chips, 150 calories, 10 grams of fat, 16 grams of carbohydrates, and 2 protein. This I'm gonna give a 6 out of 10. It definitely tastes like a BLT sandwich more so than these tasted like. This one is 160 calories, 15 carbohydrates, 10 grams of fat, 2 grams protein. Now this one, crispy taco, 160 calories. Oh, only 15 chips for this serving. This one's 17. This one's 17. I don't know why this one's 15, but hey. 10 grams of fat, 2 grams protein, 15 carbohydrates. Crispy taco. I'm hoping. I want tacos. soon as I opened the bag, I could smell it. Ooh. And that's what it looks like. Very strong flavor. I mean scent. Mmm. Wow, okay. Yeah, this tastes like a Taco Bell taco. I'm not saying that's great, no, but it tastes like, I can taste lettuce. I can taste the cheese. Like, it's weird. How do you taste lettuce on this? But you can. You know when the Taco Bell taco gets a little soggy and it starts to melt together and that flavor? That's what this tastes like. Like, for flavor, I give this a 10. Like, as you know, out of all of these of tasting like what it's supposed to taste like, I give this one a 10. Now my personal preference, sorry I said it with my left hand. Thank you. No, I give it like a 7. Okay. But 10 out of 10 for the crispy taco tasting like a Taco Bell taco. Not a Supreme, just a regular. After it's a little soggy. But it legit tastes like a Taco Bell taco. It tastes like what it says on the bag. Imagine that. But preference-wise, you know, this is the best one. BLT is second. I thought the pickle would be my favorite, but it just doesn't have that vinegary pickle flavor I was hoping for. Maybe because the ranch dulls it down. So, yeah. Definitely, if you can get the taco flavor, try it out. It's really good. If you review any of these 3, let me know. And tag me and I'll share it. And if I don't right away, just remind me. I might have not got the notification. I'm still navigating things. So thanks for watching. Tell me which one you think you would like the best, or which one you would like to try the most, you know. And like I said, if you try these, let me know, tag me, and I'll share it on my page. Thanks for watching. Have a great night. Stay humble, stay kind, and look out for the normal people. Laters.